Hello children, have you ever thought how to read and write large numbers? For this, we use place value system. There are mainly two types of place value system, Indian place value system and international place value system. Today, let's see how to read and write big numbers using Indian place value system. So today's topic is Indian place value system. It's also known as the Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. Indian place value system is also known as the Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. Here we start grouping the numbers from the right into periods. First period is ones period, second one thousands, third one lakhs, and fourth one crores. These are known as periods. Under the periods there are places. Under ones period we have the places ones, tens, hundred. These three places comes together under the period ones. Then thousands period, there we have the places 1000 and 10,000. Then lakhs period, there we have lakh and 10 lakh. And crores period, there we have crore and 10 crores. Now let's see how to read a big number with the help of Indian place value chart. This is known as Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart consists of the periods ones, thousand, lakhs and crores, and there we have the subdivision places ones, tens, hundred, that comes under ones. Then thousand, 10,000 comes under the period thousands. Then lakh and 10 lakh comes under the period lakhs. And crore, 10 crore comes under the period crores. Now consider the number. Can you read this number? It's little bit difficult, isn't it? Now let's try to enter this number in the Indian place value chart. So we will be starting from the right end, extreme right. Enter the numbers in the place value chart. So here 6, then 4, 3, 2, 6, 5, 7, 9, 8. I have entered this number in the Indian place value chart. Now our task is very easy. Now it's easy to read. Just to see the period here. 89 comes under the period crore. So we will read this as, we will be reading this from the left end. Starting from here left. 89 crores, 75 lakhs, 62 thousands, 346. I will repeat once again. 89 crores, 75. This 2 comes under the period lakhs. So we have to read this together. 75 lakhs, 62 thousands, 346. Next is how to insert commas. Here we will be inserting the commas after each period. So ones period, it consists of 3 digits. So first comma comes after 3 digits from the right end. 1, 2, 3. After that we can insert the first comma. Second period, it consists of how many digits? 2. So next comma comes after 2 digits. So after 2 digits we will place the second comma. And third comma again, that comes after 2 digits. Because lakhs period, it has the places lakh and 10 lakh. So we will place the comma after 2 digits. Now it's over. So we can read this as 89 crore, 75 lakhs, 62,346. Is it clear, children? Thank you.